Imagine you're standing in front of your computer, staring at it like it's an alien artifact. You know it can do amazing things, but first, you need to figure out how to wake it from its slumber. So, you take a deep breath and approach the machine, ready for your first lesson in computer basics. Now, let's start with the most crucial step, turning it on. You might think this is a no-brainer, but let's be real. There are people out there who have been known to press every button except the power button. So here's your first assignment. Locate that elusive button. It's usually on the front or side of the tower, or if you're fancy, right on your laptop's keyboard. Once you've found it, stand back for a moment and appreciate the power you hold in your hands. With a dramatic flourish, press the button. Watch as the machine whirs to life, lights flickering like a disco party. If you hear a fan start humming, congratulations, you've officially completed step 1. Now, here's the kicker. If nothing happens, don't panic. There's always that moment of dread when you wonder if you've just broken the universe. Take a breath, check the power cable. Yes, it has to be plugged in. And if you're still staring at a black screen, maybe it's time to call in the reinforcements, aka someone who knows what they're doing. But once you've conquered that initial hurdle, the world of computer basics opens up before you. From navigating the desktop to mastering the art of typing, you've just embarked on a journey that could lead to anything from online shopping to coding your first app. So, embrace the chaos, laugh at the mishaps, and remember, every tech wizard's same first step.